Okay, this next one is the open heart template. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my Photoshop file so I can then go into Illustrator. So this is a blank card. So I'm going to download this. Now this blank card will open up in Photoshop, and it's exactly that, a blank card. This is what you want the cover of your card to be. So I can't think of anything right now, so I'm going to select all, Control A. I'm going to go to Edit, and let's do Generate Image. So I'm going to click on Generate Image, and it allows me to then come in here and create an image. I'm going to use this as my inspiration. And with a say, make this a Valentine's Day card, and it will then go ahead and use that prompt and those images and go from there. You don't have to use an inspirational image. You can basically type in whatever you want. So that's kind of cool. You know, it regenerated that. It added hearts. If you don't like it, you can come over here and have it regenerate. So over here on the corner, this is what our prompt: one woman with a deep gaze and afro style hair, make this a Valentine's Day card. Have I'll go put her in a city street background, like New York Broadway, with a love banner. Let's go. Let's see what it's going to then do. We got very specific, and we asked for a lot of things. I wanted a street background. I wanted it to be in New York. I wanted to have some kind of like love banner. So that's interesting. You know, you can keep on adding all these different things that you want to then have on there, what you want your card to then say. Once you like it, I'm going to go ahead and say I like this one. I'm going to go File, Export, Export As, and we're going to export it as a JPEG and go ahead and export it. So let's export it down to my downloads and go ahead and click on Save. So this is now my new cover for my card. I'm going to close this. I'm going to come back to the Illustrator template. So let's click on the Illustrator template, and this is our love banner template. We're going to click on Download, and it's going to download the file. We're going to go ahead and open it up. And there it goes and opens. I'm going to fix this file so it doesn't even have this there. Layers. I'm going to click on here and go to Window and Links. Oops, that's Library. Sorry about that. So Window, and my mouse is acting up. Links. So here's my links. I'm going to click on here. I'm going to go to Relink, and it will then allow me to put in my new cover there. So that's going to be my new cover, and that's what's going to actually print. So that's good. Over here, we have our hearts and our cards, and we can come over and work, and we can do whatever we like. So if we wanted to draw something, you know, we can draw our own heart, and we could place it inside here. You can write something with, you know, I heart you. You know, so it just depends on what you want to do and how you want to do it. So these are things that you guys are going to be able to move around and put a note in here and whatever you like to do. So once you have it the way you want it, we're going to then be able to export it out. So we're going to go File, Save As, save on our computer, save as an Adobe PDF, and save. So now that file is saved for us to print. That's the file you're going to upload. We will print that. It will be able to fold, and it's going to be able to make your card. Another thing you guys should do is do a save as. and save it to your Creative Cloud. So you have a copy on your Creative Cloud. Um, so this is what you guys wanted to do. Go ahead and save it. Go ahead and put your name on it, whatever you'd like, so that it can identify that it's yours. And you have that file. When you save it to the Creative Cloud, you can then open it no matter where you are. And it's also freeing up some space on your computer. So this is how you actually make the heart file. You get to generate whatever you'd like here and fill it all up. So thank you guys very much.